how they can blend into that blue? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Up in that blue, there's so much going on. It's a different technique. Sorry about that bouncer. So this is my follow-up. Enjoy your weekend. Get your dry goods, canned goods, water, medications, all that neat stuff. Because we don't know when exactly. It's like the rapture. When it happens, it happens. Sad part is, with the EMP, after 72 hours, all the nuclear plants start melting down. It's a regular Bart Simpson scene. The one where he gets on the plane with the president and goes over the planet and looks down and they're exploding everywhere. So I'm gently reminding you, whenever anybody sees this that isn't saved, it's time to do that, okay? It really is. I love you all. People on the fence don't have the mentality of a fence, okay? Love you all.